Good morning, students. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. A very good morning to all of you.
Ma'am. Ma'am, you are stuck.
Just check. Am I audible and visible properly
Yes,
to you all?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Open your books, everyone. Take out this chapter, chapter number 8, cards and wheels. As you all know that from few classes we have started this chapter and we are learning about which geometrical shape, which 2D shape,
Circle.
circle. In that we have learned how to draw a circle, parts of a circle. Then we have learned what is diameter, what is radius, how to find the diameter, how to find the radius. This all concepts are related with this chapter only, cards and wheels. Now, turn on your camera, everyone. I request. Otherwise, I'll remove you. Silently, I will remove you. You will also not notice the teacher has removed you. This is the last warning to you all. Please turn on your cameras and sit in the class. If you sit with the camera off, you will be removed by me. Now listen. As you many of you are here right now, again I will announce at 11:40. 11:40. There is no English class today. Join activity class for maths combined class with 4A. Join activity classroom at 11:40. There will be no English class today. For maths class, you have to join for the combined class activity classroom at 11:40. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Class is 11:45.
Yes, but you started login with the 11:40, no? So page number 81, cards and wheels. I'm going to present my screen. Let me know whether the screen is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
Is this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
In this picture, you can see in your textbook also this picture is there. So can you see the different objects and the things are there and where you can notice. Okay, so here in this first picture, if I point out, my cursor is here. What parts of this figure is in circle shape?
Wheels. Ma'am. Wheel.
This is this is what actually is. First of all, tell me. Tractor. Very good. So what parts of this tractor are in circle shape?
Tire.
Tire, wheels. Okay, and here, what you can see? What is this?
Ma'am, where?
This one. My cursor is
From
this here.
traffic. Ma'am, traffic signal.
Traffic signal. Okay, so in the traffic signal also you can see it's the colors which are showing in the circle shape.
Yes.
Yes, and here is also one big bus. So which part of the bus are in circle shape?
Wheel. Tires. Yes,
Tires,
ma'am.
wheels. Same here. Boy is having a
Cycle.
cycle, bicycle, you can say, and the bicycle wheels also in the circle shape. Here this man is also having one object with him. What he is
Ma'am,
having?
it is drum. Drum.
Drum.
Drum.
So is the drum is in the circle shape?
Yes, no, ma'am. But it's side. It's side.
Yes,
Its sides
but the
are
sides of the circle drum is in circle shape. Here also this is cart. Yeah.
yes.
Yes or no? Cart also having a wheels in the
Yes,
circle
ma'am.
shape.
Yes, ma'am.
But this girl is doing what, students?
Ma'am, making rotis.
Making roti. So roti, what is the shape of roti?
Ma'am, circle. Ma'am, circle.
Circle. So what have you observed here? Completely this chapter is about the circle, right? Come here on the down. There is a cloud given. Hey, see how big this wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this. This girl is saying, see how big wheel of this cart is. Let me show you whether the big wheel is visible to you all. Yes, this wheel you can see. So the girl is discussing, boy is discussing with this girl this, hey, see how big this wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this. Here also one boy is playing with the tire. Early days, no, the children used to take their old tire and they play with the tire. Here also this, who is this man? What he is making?
Pottery man.
Potter.
Pot.
Yes, he's making pots. So here also he is making pots on the wheel. When the wheel will get turned and then only they will able to make the things. You must have seen many such around things around you. List some more in your notebook, which we have already done in our first class that I told you we have played. If you remember that we have played one game
Yes.
and I told you to bring the things around you which are in circle shape. So we
Yes.
have already done. Some of you bought button, tape, cap of the bottle. So this way we have done this activity.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yeah. Timely respond me also, students. Then only I will see that the students are paying attention or not. Next turn the page, page number 82. This we have done coin, candy, pizza, sun. These are in circle shape. Yes, round bangle. Have you ever gone to a bangle shop? So, children, they are asking from you. Have you ever visited to the bangle shop?
No.
What do you observe there when you visit to the bangle shop? क्या देखते हैं आप वहाँ
Ma'am,
पे?
ma'am, different size bangle.
Yes, this is the main word that you are
Mini
using.
size mangle.
Many different sizes bangle. There is no one size bangle because every person has their own size. So you can see the different size bangles. Why different size bangles? Because the bangle which Dhwani can wear, will it be possible that I can wear the same bangle?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Right? The size is different. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small. She's checking these bangles now. Guess which of these bangles is your size. Now, students, there are three bangles here. Just a minute. Let me remove this. So now here you can see there are three different sizes of bangles are given. So can you guess according to you which sizes of yours?
Ma'am, my green one. Ma'am,
Okay.
my red, orange one.
Shivani, green one
Green.
will come to you.
Yes, ma'am.
I think
Ma'am,
green one
blue
will be
one.
too small.
Ma'am, 2-1. No, ma'am.
Orange,
Orange one.
yes, orange
Orange.
one. And blue one, I think it will fit to me,
Nice. Yes.
right? Okay.
Ma'am,
And
So
ma'am,
today also
the blue one.
at
Blue
home
one.
also if you have different
green one.
sizes of bangles, try. Okay.
I have so.
So this is just an activity. Take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your madam or the mother wear this bangle? Students, if you make a bangle with the wire of your size, will your mama or your teacher can wear that bangle?
Ma'am,
Can
I
be,
don't have wire. No, ma'am.
No,
can
ma'am.
be yes or can be no, because हो सकता है कई बार नो ममा का साइज और द
Yes,
चाइल्ड
ma'am.
साइज सेम हो जाता है व्हेन यू ग्रो स्लोली स्लोली आपका साइज और आपकी
Yes.
मम्मा का साइज
Ma'am,
सेम यस
ma'am, in my hand, my mother's bangle, it fits me.
fits you, no, so you can write yes in that option. Okay.
Ma'am, my
And
mother
if it,
fits my bangle.
yeah, if you it is not fitting then you write no. Okay. Sorry. Next, a bangle can be used to trace a circle. We have already done, we have taken the bangle, we
Yes.
trace the circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? This also you
Cap
can
of a
write
bottle.
because
I'm cap of a box.
this activity we have already done. Bottle cap, coin, bowl, button, compass, the rounder which we have taken, plate, yeah, coin. So you can write the different names which you can, through which you can draw a circle. Trace a circle with the help of some of these things in your notebook or a ground. Which thing make the smallest circle, which thing make the biggest circle. So this we have already done. So I told you to bring such round things and draw the circle in the notebook. So if you have noticed, if you have the objects or if you have the same objects, so which object will draw the small circle out of these objects which are given here up?
A coin.
A
Ma'am,
coin.
coin.
Yes. And which makes the bigger circle?
Ma'am, plates.
Plate.
Plate can bigger, and with the compass
Compass,
also you,
compass.
compass you can
Ma'am,
make the
compass.
smaller as well as you can make the bigger circle
Ma'am,
also.
ma'am, smallest within is the button.
A smaller with the button, yes, yes, with the
Not
button also.
coin.
Hmm. So smaller is the button and the coin, and which is the biggest?
Compass and plate.
Yeah. Now, children, we have already, no, you children have not seen, but we have already discussed in the last class, in the another class in 4th C, I have discussed about the different games students play in the circle. Can you name some games, students?
Ma'am,
Or can you explain me some games which you play in the circle?
ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
passing the pass.
we have to make a circle.
Passing,
Then we will
okay.
put a napkin in it.
Yes,
Then
yes,
to
that
play with
also. What is the name of that game? Can you
Dog in
tell
the
me?
wall.
Ma'am, cricket.
Dog in the wall. Dog in the wall.
Dog in the wall. Okay.
Ma'am,
Dog in the
cricket.
wall.
Pass, pass. No, ma'am. Dog and the bone. Bone.
Bone. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, seven stone.
So, can anyone tell me why we are playing such games in the circle? Why we are not playing in any
Seven
other?
stones.
Ma'am, cricket.
Seven stones.
Okay. But why we cricket we never play in a circle?
Ma'am, ground is in the ground.
So, can anyone tell me the games which are playing in the circle? Why we are playing them in the circle? Why we are not playing them in any other shape? Either square, rectangle, triangle. Why? Why only in the circle shape? Because it's already written. Do you play these games? Which song do you sing when you play these games? Play these games in your school. Why do we make a circle in this each of these games? What if the rectangle was made? Discuss. Think of some other games you play by making the circles. So they are telling you, think and tell me and discuss with the students that why are we playing such games, the names which you have already told me, why we play in the circle shape, why are we not playing in the any other shape? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, because if we play in any other shape, we will not able to play that game.
That though sure we will not able to play. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, in running game, the players will get to know that from the, from where to run.
Yes, means the
Ma'am, can I
when
say,
you sit. Yes, yes, Pragya.
ma'am, because different game has different rules.
It's okay. Yeah, there are different games, different rules, but some games are why specifically played in the circle because when you play in the circle, you will all the players can able to see each other, right? Faces each other. When you sit in a square shape or a triangle shape or any rectangle shape, will you able to see each other, or are you able to sit on the proper distance? No, when you sit in a circle, you will able to sit on a proper distance also, and you can face each other and see each other, and you can enjoy the game. That is why these such games are played in a circle, not in any other shape. Am I clear to you all? Yes. So we move to the other. Just a minute, students. Let me remove this. So this is done. We have discussed about the game. Now go to the next page, page number 84. Making a circle. See, why do we make a circle in each of these games? Because there is no corner in the circle and we sit in the circular shape and we can face each other and play. But if we sit in the square and here, there are corners, so people not at the proper distance. There is no proper distance or the same distance when we play. So you can write some other games which we play in the circle, some musical chairs, and the names which you have already told me. Passing the parcel. Now come to the next page, making a circle. Nana, Chippu and Ariba want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. Okay. Now see, one is in this picture and the another is in this picture. Who is drawing the proper circle and why the circle is not proper? Chipu and Nana, it does not look like a circle at all. Ariba, okay, why don't both of you try? Then everyone is trying. Chipu and Nana both make circles on the ground. Is any of these is a good drawing of a circle? Discuss. Now children, tell me, when you see the picture and tell me who is drawing a good circle.
Ma'am, but who is Chipku and who is Nana?
Chipku is a boy, Nana is a girl.
Okay.
Chipku is a
Ma'am, Chipku.
Chippo.
who is drawing a proper circle? Can anyone explain why Chippu is drawing a proper circle? Why not Naina?
Nana.
Yes.
Ma'am, Nana.
Nana.
So children, you also try. You also try at home after the class that who is able to draw the proper circle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the next page. 85. Making a circle with a rope. Now children, I'll explain you how to make a circle with a rope. Take a nail, tie a thread on it, put the nail in the center of in the mud or somewhere on the ground where the nail stuck properly and tied a thread. आपको अब जितना भी thread जितना भी बड़ा लेना है, that much length thread you can take if you want to make a big circle, because you have learned that from the center, if we take a big radius, our circle will be big. If we take a small radius, our circle will be small. Yes, so it's up to you how much thread you want to take. So tie the thread on the nail, put the nail in the ground, and then take the pencil or something in the another chalk or something, tied it on the other end of the thread and keep on roll it properly. Okay, then you will get the proper circle on the ground also. So the length from the center to the boundary of the circle is what? Is what? The length from the
Radius.
center to the
Ma'am,
radius.
radius.
Yes. So here also Ariba decided to use nail and a thread to make a circle on the ground. She took a thin rope and tied nail on both the ends of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend. And now she can see here also nail and here also they have tried. Now they are rolling. One side they have made fixed and the another side they are moving. Look at the picture and see how they are making the circle. Can you also make a circle with the rope and nail like Ariba? Do the activity in small groups. Each group should take a rope of a different length. See the different circles by different groups. Which group made the smallest circle? This you can try at the home doing this activity. So the length from the center to the boundary is the radius. We have already learned what is the radius. Distance between the circle. So now from the center, distance to the boundary of the circle will be same. That will be the radius. Now children, tell me if I draw. Okay, imagine there is one big circle. In that big circle, I have drawn one more small circle. So the radius of which circle will be small? The small circle radius or the big circle radius?
Ma'am, the small circle. Ma'am, big one.
No,
Small one.
big one is from the center
Ma'am,
to the
small one.
boundary and yes.
Big. Ma'am, the small circle.
Small circle radius will be small only, right? Now
Ma'am,
turn the page. Turn the page, page number 86.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw the radius of a bangle using a ruler. Measure the length of the radius. There is one bangle which is already drawn for you. Draw the radius from the center and measure how much length of the radius is. Please do this, Hare. Hare, I am explaining something. There is one circle which is already drawn for you. Very good, Hia. Joining late. This is not my class timings, Hia. There is no use of coming and joining my class like this.
Ma'am, it is
Moin Kuledi.
1.5.
Just a minute, let me take my attendance.
1.5. 1.5.
It is,
1.5.
what is the length?
1.5.
7.5.
1.5.
1.5. Okay. So that you can measure and write. If is everyone's 1.5 is coming? And
yes.
Shivani, for this practical things, keep this small ruler, not this big much, that much ruler. Okay.
Okay.
Now see what your friends have drawn. Discuss the length of the radius they measure. Is it the same as yours? Draw the radius of these circles, and also there are two more circles are given. So you have to draw the radius and find the radius of the another two circles which are already green and blue. Now tell me whose radius, the green circle radius will be bigger or the blue circle radius will be bigger?
Blue. Blue.
Blue one will be big.
Blue.
Yes. Measure the radius of both the circle using a ruler. Write the length of the radius, radius of the green circle and radius of the blue circle in the blanks. Please write the answer after measuring and check with your friends whether the answer is coming same or not.
Ma'am, it's not blue, it's purple.
No, I think it's blue only. Purple, it's dark blue. Purple is little different kind of color. Okay. So tell me, Dhwani, what is the length of your radius in the blue one? Dhwani, if you have measured,
Yeah,
what is
ma'am,
the length?
it is 2.5.
It is 2.5. Let
No,
me
ma'am,
check.
my is coming 2 centimeter.
And mine is coming 3.
And mine is coming 2
No, ma'am, it's
centimeter.
1.5.
It's 1.5. It's not 2. It's not 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I
Jignesh
checked
is saying
again.
something. Let me listen, Jignesh. Yes, Jignesh. Yeah,
Ma'am, I checked again.
green is 1 and the blue is 1.5. And the above green is also 1.5.
5.
Yes. Now next, find out. Measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. Can you see a thread or a measuring tape? Now what you do at your home, in your surroundings, if you find some trucks or some bullock carts or these bicycles, from the center of there, take a thread and measure it, the radius, and come home and measure it on the ruler or the inch tape. Then you will get the exact radius. Okay, this is your home activity. If you want to try, please try. Then you will see the difference. How much is the radius of the bicycle, bullock cart? There will be different radius comes because the size of the wheel is different. Yes. So have you seen a tractor or a road roller? Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? So the road roller or a tractor, which is having the biggest wheel? If you have observed,
Road roll.
road roller, yes. Road roller is having the biggest wheel. Now go to the next page. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole. Listen very, very carefully. Huh? Let me stop the presentation. Yes. So now listen very carefully, students. Page number 87. Uh, there are two goat. The name of one goat is Lali and the another goat is Kali. Lali means red color one, the brown color one, and the Kali is black color one. तो उनके नाम भी उसी से ही रख दिए, Lali and Kali. Are tied to a pole with a rope. उनको टाइट कर दिया एक पोल से, एक रस्सी से. Kali has a long rope and Kali has a long rope who can look for more grass to eat. So now children tell me, first of
Kali.
all tell me,
Kali.
if they move around to the pole, who will make the big circle? Raise a virtual hand. The Kali will make the big circle or the Lali will make the big circle?
Mom, can we write in chat?
No. Raise your virtual hand. I will ask from you. Yes, Hare.
Kali.
Kali will make a. Are you all agree? Everyone is agree?
Yes. Agreed.
Yes,
Agreed.
ma'am. Kali.
Kali will make a big circle because the distance of the radius from the pole is, Kali is having a long rope. Now, my next question is, who will graze the more grass, Kali or Lali?
Kali. Kali.
Yes. Why Kali?
Ma'am.
Why Kali? Why not Lali?
Kali.
Because she has
Wait a minute.
because
Yes,
she
Mohammed.
has long low.
Dwani. Wait. Yes, Mohammed. Mohammed, speak. Your mic is mute, bacha. Again, I repeat, those who are here in the class right now, please, I've already put it in the classroom. Join at 11:40. Join activity classroom for the combined class. Join activity classroom at 11:40 for the combined class with 4A. There will be no English class today. Got it, everyone? Okay. Yes, Muhammad. Tell me, who will graze the more grass, the Kali or
Ma'am,
Lali?
Lali. Kali
Why? Yeah.
because it is Kali has a long rope.
Yes, long rope. So she will make a big circle. If she is making a big circle, means she has to take a big round. और जितना ज़्यादा बड़ा round लेगी, उतनी ही grass graze करेगी. Am I clear? जितना घूमेगी उसके चारों तरफ, वो उतनी ही ग्रास को लेगी. और जो छोटे एरिया में घूमेगी, वो कम ग्रास ग्रेस करेगी. Clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes.
After this, there is the activity which is given related with the Rangoli. So in tomorrow's class, I am going to take an activity based on Rangoli, and Rangoli will be, please note, Rangoli will be drawn with the circular, that Rangoli designs you can select which are in circular shape. So select the Rangoli designs, come, bring the material, bring colors, bring A4 size or the A3 size big thick paper. I will put it in the classroom also. Bring the material in the classroom tomorrow, and you have to make the Rangoli in the classroom tomorrow. And that Rangoli design you have to select which is in the circular shape, जिसको आप circle से बना सके with the using compass. You can see here on the page number 87, there is one Rangoli design given. The girl is making this full Rangoli design is being made by the using compass. है ना, एक big circle के अंदर छोटे small circles बनाए हैं. Then they have made, so this complete Rangoli design is made by the compass. Got it? So this way you can select any of the Rangoli design and come tomorrow. We will do this activity in the classroom. Now I am, yeah, tell me.
I have a design with the circles. So after making the circles, I can design it under the circle.
And means I am not getting this.
This is
You don't have to bring such Rangoli which is ready-made Rangoli. No. You have to come in the class, show me the plain paper, then I have to see the clean paper. Then you will start drawing by using the compass. Yes, got it, everyone? So
Ma'am,
prepare at least one design of rangoli which you can draw with the circles.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, can we search it on Google and then make it?
Yes, you can search and you can practice also, but you have to draw it in the live class tomorrow. Practice at home, come tomorrow in the live class. We will draw. First, I will also show you some designs, how to draw. Then you can also show me that this is
but
your
after
design.
drawing that rangoli, then
Yeah.
we can design it under the circles.
Yeah, inside the circles you can design, and inside the circles you can color them different colors. Okay. Now I'm going to present my screen and I will ask few questions from you all. Can you all see this?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now my question is the diameter of a circle is dash time its radius. Raise your virtual hand, tell me your name. Krisha, give me the
Ma'am,
answer.
Dhwani.
Krisha, is
Yes,
Krisha
ma'am.
there? The diameter of a circle is dash time its radius. How many times the diameter is? The diameter of a circle is dash time its radius. Times means we multiply. So how many times we multiply radius so that we can get the diameter?
Ma'am,
Dwani, you give me the answer.
Ma'am, two times.
Two times. The diameter of a circle is two times its radius. Next question. The diameter of a circle is the dash chord of the circle.
And can I say Shivani?
Yes, Shivangini. Not Shivani, Shivangini. Shivangini, the diameter of a circle is the dash chord of the circle.
Uh,
Tell me.
uh,
The diameter of a circle is the dash chord of a circle.
radius.
No. जब diameter है तो
Ma'am,
वो radius कैसे हो सकता है?
ma'am, can
Wait,
I
wait,
say?
Vignesh. Viha,
yes, ma'am.
the diameter of a circle is the dash of the radius. Let me read the question. It was that only. No? The diameter of circle is the dash chord of the circle.
Ma'am, can I say?
I
Largest.
told you, I have explained you that diameter will be a chord.
Ma'am, can I say again?
Yes,
Ma'am, longest.
very good. The diameter of a circle is the longest chord of the circle. Now next, Mohammed, the diameter of a circle pass through.
Ma'am, can I say?
Mohammed, Arush, can you tell me the diameter of a circle pass through?
The center.
Center of the circle. Yes. Next question is this is the done. Just a minute. A chord of a circle is a line segment with its end points on the edges. That is the chord. जिसके end points edges पे हैं और the boundary of a circle पे है. Next question is if we join any 2 points on a circle by a line segment, we obtain.
Ma'am, diameter.
If we join any
Ma'am,
2 points
diameter.
of a circle
Ma'am,
by a line
radius.
segment,
Radius.
रेडियस के दोनों पॉइंट्स तो सर्कल पे नहीं होते हैं. हु इज सेइंग रेडियस?
Ma'am, diameter.
Diameter.
My dear,
Ma'am,
my dear, it will be a
chord.
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 Why chord? Because they are not saying from the center.
Ma'am, it will.
Got it, everyone? They are not saying a line segment passing from the center. Word is not being used here. If center word is not here used, so it is a chord, not a diameter. Clear? Next, a radius of a circle is a line segment with one end and dash at the other end. वन एंड कहाँ होता है रेडियस का? रेडियस के भी दो एंड होते हैं, दोनों एंड बाउंड्री पे नहीं होते. यस, हु इज सेइंग मैम?
मैम me.
Yes, me. Who is me here?
Ma'am
Who is the friend?
Shivangini.
Yes, Shivangani. Tell me.
Ma'am, first is
Yes.
center
And
and
the other end is?
Ma'am, can I?
boundary, ma'am. Ma'am, boundary.
Yes. Other end is at the
circumference
circumference or the boundary or the edge, you can say. All the answers are correct. You can, first end is on the center and the other end is on the boundary of the circle. Got it? Let me see. Yes. 2-3 questions more, then we end the class. The diameter of a circle passes through the dash of a circle.
Center.
Center of a circle. Radius. Radius equals to dash divided by 2.
Diameter.
Very good. Excellent. Can I move to the next? Diameter is the dash chord of a circle, which we have already
Ma'am, your
seen.
camera is totally green.
Okay. The last one. Dash is the fixed point of the circle. Center.
Center.
Very good. Means you all are clear with the concepts which we have done till now. Okay. Come and join at 11:40 activity classroom. We do more revision related with this chapter. Thank you, students. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.